In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch domain in Google Workspace. 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you're signed in as a super administrator and that you have access to your domain host, since we'll need to verify ownership and update DNS records. This process won't delete any user data, but it will change the email addresses people use to sign in and receive mail, so it's best to do this during a low traffic time. First, open the Google Admin Console and sign in. From the home page, head to Account, then open the Domain section. Choose Manage Domains. This is where all of your organization's domains live and where you'll add the new one. Click Add a Domain. Enter the new domain name exactly as registered, choose secondary domain, and continue. Google will guide you through verification. The quickest method is usually adding a TXT record at your domain host. Copy the value Google provides, paste it into your DNS records at your host, save, and return to the admin console. This verification step doesn't affect your existing email or websites, and it may take a few minutes to recognize the change. When you're ready, select Add Domain and start verification. Once Google confirms ownership, you'll see the new domain listed. Now it's time to make it the primary. In the domains list, choose Change Primary Domain, select the new domain, and confirm. After this switch, users will eventually sign in with addresses on the new domain. The previous primary domain will remain in your account, so nothing is lost, but the default identity moves to the new one. Next, go to Users in the Admin Console. Open each user you want to update and change the primary email address to the new domain. This preserves their Drive files, calendar events, and settings. You're simply changing the sign-in address. Let your team know this change is happening so they can update saved logins and email signatures. Finally, update your domain host's MX records for the new domain to point to Google. If you're already running Google Workspace, you'll use the standard Google MX values. Enter them at your host, remove any old MX records that don't point to Google, save, and allow time for DNS to propagate. Email delivery may take a little while to fully switch over, so plan accordingly and test by sending messages to and from the new domain. That's it. You've added the new domain, verified it, made it primary, updated users, and set MX records to ensure mail flows correctly.